Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add token to Phantom Wallet. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet app. Once you are logged in, look for the section labeled Manage Token List or something similar. This is where you will handle all your token related tasks. Give that a click. It should open up a menu or a new page where you can see the tokens you currently hold and manage them. In this section, you will see the tokens you can add. Usually there are 5 options provided by default. Unfortunately, there is a bit of a limitation here. You can only add tokens from the options provided. This means you can't add any other tokens beyond those 5. It's important to know that you can't add any additional tokens beyond what's already available. So don't spend time looking for solutions because unfortunately there aren't any. So this is the easiest and simplest way to add token to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.